Hey everyone, in this video we will look at how to merge two queries in Power BI. So I sort of liken merging to a SQL join, and if those of you who are familiar with the SQL world, but I'll quickly explain what merging queries does. So I've got some data here with me, and I'll just show you what data I have. And I've got data about class, so it's just class ID and class name. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and different subjects. And then I've got a table called student, which is student ID, student name, and class ID. And what if I, before import this data into Power BI, I want to join these two tables? So for example, student table also has the class names. So I'll show you how we can do this. So I'm on Power BI on the Home tab. I go to Edit Queries and click on Edit Queries. And it opens the Power Query Editor for me. And you can see I've got student and class. So what I need to do is, again on the Home tab in the Power Query Editor, I go to Merge Queries. And I can create a new table, or I can merge it onto the student table or the class table depending on how I want to go at it. So in this case, I will just say Merge Queries, Merge as New. And it opens this for us. And it's instead of class, I'll just say student. So I've got this, and the other query, the one I want joined, I will pick class. And now I will pick the joining column. So I'll say join on class ID because that's the common column between the two. And then I can select inner join, left outer, left anti, right anti. It's just a way to include or exclude certain records. And you can study more on this, or I can take more videos on this. If you have additional queries, please do let me know. If you want me to take videos around joins in Power BI. So all I've done is I've joined these two tables on class ID in this editor, and I'll just click OK. And what it does is that it's to the student table, it is join this table class, and this is, so if I click on this arrow which points in both directions, well, it's an arrow not in both directions, but if I click on this, whatever this T shape is, and click OK, so it opens up the class table, and class table has been joined to the student table. Now what I'll do is, I already have class ID, also remove this. And what happened there? So let me select class ID, I'll remove this. So I've got class name, I'll just go and rename this. And I'll just say and we'll just hit close and apply. And you can see we've got another table available to us, which also contains the student names and the classes they're taking up. So if it depends on, you could probably do this using the modeling tab and join these two tables on class ID and build it. Or you could push this logic onto the Power Query layer. Depends on how you want to tackle it. This is just one way of joining two different tables in Power Query using the merge option. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.